Hello, I'm Pat McGowan. I'm a lifelong Mainer, born in Bangor, raised in Somerset County. I'm a husband, a father, a sportsman, a former small business owner, and for decades I've been a public servant. After much consideration, I'm announcing today that I'm a candidate for governor in Maine's Democratic primary. As a pilot and an outdoorsman, I've been to every corner of our state. I've worked in our cities and in our rural communities. I have over 40 first cousins living all over Maine in all walks of life. I know this state, its people, its challenges, and its remarkable opportunities. As governor, I intend to work for all of the people in all 16 counties. For the past 7 years, I have been the state's conservation commissioner, conserving the most valuable places in our state and protecting our working forest, holding on to jobs in our northern regions. As governor, I'll jumpstart the renewable energy industry in Maine. We will invest in the green energy jobs in manufacturing, construction, engineering that represent the future of Maine. We'll utilize the fiber from our trees, the wind in our highlands, and the tidal power of our rock-bound coast. We'll take advantage of our state's best resources to improve Mainers' lives with better jobs and lower energy costs. Our state has a wonderful future ahead of it, but it needs a governor who knows the whole state, who has the experience to get the job done, and who has the vision to lead Mainers to a better way of life. I'm entering this race today because I have that vision. I have that experience, and I'm prepared to lead, and with your help, we can make all of this possible. On my website, McGowanFromMaine.com, you can learn more about me and my plans for our state. I'm running as a clean elections candidate because I believe in that system, and I need your help to raise the necessary funds. Please consider making a $5 qualifying contribution to the Maine Clean Election Fund on my behalf, and a seed money contribution to help as well. Also learn about the specific ways you can volunteer in our grassroots campaign. Thank you.